came running out of the mangroves. Just for a cuddle and for some food. First flamingo from last year came in as a chick. Her name is Baby. I was mom. First thing I did when I came on this island was starting a animal shelter, because there was no shelter. In the morning, I started at 7 o'clock. 40 flamingos there waiting for me, all coming for breakfast. It's, I think, better that there's a place they can eat and then they can fly away. And then a part of them is taking off, leaving again. Also, a large group is hanging out the whole day. Everybody has his own character. It's dogs and cats. Within a few months, like 300, 400 flamingos came in. The good thing is we work with a large team of volunteers. And it's also nice to see that there are many people in the world who do love animals and do have passion and empathy and do want to put efforts in. Release them on the close where the breeding grounds are. Flamingos, they need to remain wild. They need to go back to their own habitat. All those birds are getting a second chance.